Hello, how are you? Today I want to show how to install and customization our logistic transportation and WordPress theme. So let's start first. You can see this is the fresh WordPress dashboard. So there is nothing happened. Plugin is almost zero, nothing here, and WordPress is default WordPress theme. And I already downloaded the theme, and you can see this is our theme. Okay, I just cut from here, and then try to fit here. So when you go, then you just make it in extra here. That is very important because inside of theme you can see here something else like our main theme, license, and style theme. So we need to set up logistic theme. So we just click here. Okay, just grab the path and add the new theme, install, and then just grabbing the path here. Okay, and then install theme, and it will take a little time because you can see the theme is installed successfully, then active. And when you active, then you can see here is a lot of plugins. So both of plugins are very important. Without this plugin you cannot do anything. So just install all the plugins. So you need to wait few minutes time. Now you can see all plugins is installed successfully. Now return record plugins, and then you need to active all the plugins. So every plugin is very important. If you miss anything, then the theme would not be work. So you need to do anyhow, install and active all of record plugins. And now you can see there are two plugins you cannot active right now because now when you try, then you can see you will get the different interface. Look here, active. Different interface means this plugin would not be active. First, it's automatic redirect and show here the different interface, Elementor and other things. And now you can see it's a different interface like Elementor onboarding. So Elementor plugin is automatically onboarding here in your environment. So after this, then you need to just a second. Okay, you can see Elementor onboarding is showing up all of the interface. So you just make a cross button, and when you press the cross, then the dashboard will redirect automatically, and then you can see here is the message. Okay, so active plugins, and then active of both plugins. Okay, now all plugin is activated. Okay, so we also fix how to do this. That's also very important. We need to do in this plugin. So we will do later. First, we need to active all of things. So now you need to check here. Let's see what will happen here. You can see there are some shop and other space. There is no need. You need to make it trash because this is the by default some pages. It would be not needed here. We just make it delete permanently because we will import all of data from here. That is why we just clean each and everything. So it's clean now. Now the time install demo data. When you click the demo data, then you can see here is our theme and other things. So it will take a little bit time. Just click import demo data and then continue. And you need to wait 5 or 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. If within 15 minutes the theme would not be set up, then you need to contact with us themeonly@gmail.com. Otherwise you just try another times, so it would be work. Otherwise we will fix. Don't worry about this. So you need to wait 15 minutes maximum. Okay, so demo import is complete. So now this is the time. We just want to first go to the settings, permalinks, and there is something we need to predefine before visit the website. First, permalink setting, and then you need to go here the Elementor. Okay, that is very important. Otherwise, some icon, something is not going to work. Like footer and header, we need to add. Okay, this is also important. And now go to the advanced and Elementor loading. You need to make active. That is also very important. Otherwise, sometimes you will click the new page, it will be loading properly. So performance is okay here. You need to set up something else like inline. Just make it inactive. That is also very important. Otherwise, font sometimes not be showing. Okay. So now the time to visit the website. So after visit, we can also open something here like header builder, footer builder, and logistic options. I just want to open it because it will be need. Now I just want to open also pages. That is also very important. Okay, so that is all of page. So total page is 42. I think most of the customer, most of the people, most of the my all of customer, there is no need all page. So if you don't need to more page, you just make a trash or delete it. So if you will delete it, then it is very easier for loading speed and other things. That is important also. And you can see here is the two page is a trash. I just make a trash. It will be good for me. And the header builder, there are a lot of header, like 16 header. So all header there is no need. I will show you each and everything. And yeah, it's still loading. Yeah, you can see this is our website. It's loading now. Okay, this is perfect. Everything is working fine, very fine. Yeah, very fine. Yeah, everything is fine. So first I want to show how to change the color. That is the common question of my customer. So if you want to change the color, so here is the theme color. I just made like this color. Okay. So color 2, I want to made this yellow, which is okay. And heading color, you can change whatever you want. Okay, but I just want only 2 colors. And now I want to visit the website. Look, the color is changed. Here is the color, all color is changed. Okay. This is the color sense options. And I just want to visit also other pages like shopping. This is the new pages. You need to visit all. It is good for all. I change the color. Yeah, this is working fine. So now typography. I want to change every title little bit different. So that is I want. So you can see here is the typography, body font family, heading font family, heading 1 font family. Heading 1, all heading 1 I want to add here new font family. Okay, like this font. Can you see? It's a little bit different also. Or we can change also like Amatic. Let's see what will happen. So I just visit it here, and when I visit, then you can see, yeah, all title it changes. All title. Can you see? This is very interesting and good for all. So now that is fine. You can change whatever you want, but I want to show you other things. Here is back to top. Back to top. Here is enable, disable. Other things in here is color. You can change. The preloader. Sometimes people don't want preloader, so that is very common question. All of my customer. You can see this preloader and here is the text. So if you want to do this, then you can do very here disable. Then all will be deleted. If you want to change the logo and text, you can do from here. Now admin panel, it's nothing here. There is no need to add here anything. So header is very important. So by default you can see this is the pre-built header. Header, top bar, header, show options. So first I want to show which header used in this home. When you just mouse hover, you can see footer 1. So here we use footer 1 and default header. There is nothing mentioned, means here showing the default header. So default header is here. So if you want to change all of information, so you need to go here. Here is the header information. So default header you can handle using logistic options. For example, you can see it's a blah 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 5 and I want to add another 5. Okay, support@gmail.com. I just want to add here info@gmail.com. Okay, I just want to show exceptions and reload the page. Then you can see phone number and email is changed. Yeah, it's fine. Now I want to change the language. You can see here is some language and this is not working because we need to put here the CSS. It's another part, very small CSS, we can use it. So here you can see a lot of language. I just want only 2 languages. How we can do? First you need to go here, setting ZT translate. So when you will go to ZT translate, you can see there's a lot of language. I want only English and German language. So English is okay. I just delete all, Italian also delete, Portuguese delete. I just use this on German. It's okay? Yeah. Now I just make a save. When I do it, then you can see the language also sets. Language option also sets, yeah. English. One, two, English, German, Spanish. Spanish also here. Spanish, English, German. Oh, yeah, it's this Spanish. I'll just make it this select. Okay. So you understand what I'm saying. So this is here the social media. The social media you can check here. Here is the social icon. You just click here, then you will find here the all of information. Who is what you want and you will it's totally depend up to you what you want. Okay. You can easily delete the minus and something like this. There is no problem. And oh sorry, this is the fixed. This is fixed. You cannot do anything here. You just put here social information here. Okay. So now next here the header. This is the default header logo. You can sense. Okay. Here is the dimension, other things. Header menu like a menu color, other thing. You can choose mobile menu. Mobile which logo you want to use. That you can set here. Up canvas. That is also up canvas background information and block. Which block style you want. Here is the block title, other things. Just explore here and there, and it is very easy. And also single blocks, the same things, meta informations, block meta informations, and now the break phrase and breadcrumb. I want to show. That's very important. So first I want to go about page. When I will go with about page, then you will see here the breadcrumb information. So this is the breadcrumb, and this is this picture. If you want to change the picture, simply you just go there, and here is the pictures. If you want, you can change. Shop, breadcrumb shop pages. So this is the default picture. So if you want to go like here, logistic shops, then you can see the picture. If you want to change, you just simply go there and change it. So we just mentioned each and everything like archive page, search page, hero page. Okay, now breadcrumb height show. If you want to make a height and sentence, then you can see just click about this. You can see the breadcrumb information is height. The home, other things. Okay, when you go show, and then you can see it working fine also. Okay, now this is only for global. Okay, I'm talking about the global, but you can change also page wise breadcrumb image and information. For example, when you click the about us and edit page, when you will go, just click here and then you can see page meta. So page meta, click here, then you can see breadcrumb height. So if you click here the breadcrumb height, then you can see and visit website. Okay, so breadcrumb is height. There is no breadcrumb showing here. That means background picture, each and everything is height. Now I want to show it. Okay, save sense. Look, the breadcrumb picture and other things back. Now, sorry, here is something else. Everything's fine. Okay, so if this is the global setting, you need to go click the page setting, and here you can set the another pictures. Like you don't need to set here the all pages same picture. If you want to change the different picture, you can do. Like I want to show the full background picture is black. Okay, and title I want to show, and title heading I want to show the custom. Then I just want to put here our company. So this is, I just want to set here. Okay. Okay, now you can see here the about us replace our company, and picture also the black. Can you see? This is very interesting, very interesting, very interesting. Yeah. So breadcrumb, select shown display breadcrumb area. If you don't deselect it, and then you can see the finish. Can you see? The breadcrumb area has removed. So hope so you understand what I mean. Okay, now go to the here. So breadcrumb issue is fixed. Now I want to 404 page. That is the text and other thing information. You can set here WooCommerce page. Which flavor you want. So normally when you go and this logistic shops, then you can see this is full white WooCommerce page. Okay, if you want like left side sidebar, then save sense. Then you will see it's changes. The sidebar is showing here. Now you can see the picture is showing, the sidebar also showing, but that is empty. Why? The main reason is you need to select here the widgets, and when you will go the widgets, then you can see here is the shop widgets, like WooCommerce sidebar. Can you see here? Yeah. So I just add here WooCommerce price or product search, or yeah, price is okay. commerce, you can see a lot of things here. So here I just want to show store parent. All review is okay. I just want to show this and then update. Then you can see the WooCommerce. I added here the order height and other things. Just review what's people saying here. So that is important part also. Okay. So here, if you want, you can see here is 4. If you want free, just select here, click. Then you can see here showing the 3. Very interesting. Yeah, I think so. So product per page, how many you want, product description, title, each and everything you can set here. This is very important, and this is related product title. Like when you visit the single details of product, just here, then you can see here is the text related product. So if you want different text, for example, more product, then save sentence, and you will find here it will be changed. More product. So hope you understand. Okay. Procedure. Okay. Now I will show the gallery. There is nothing special here. Social media footer. Okay, footer. Look here. We set up here the footer. This is footer 1. I just want pre-built footer. If I want pre-built, then you can see. Go to the home page and visit the website. You can see here. Go here. Still not footer 1. Why not showing here pre-built footer? That is my question. So if you want to do this, just click here, edit. Not only this page but also other page also. You can change the footer individually. But I want to handle each footer through logistic options. So go here, and here is the setting options, and go there is header options. Then pre-built footer, you will go and select here pre-built footer. Okay. So now publish it. So all pages we did here. Look. Now it's default footer. Interesting, yeah? Very interesting. Okay. So I just want to delete all of pages here. Home page, there is no need. So this is the footer. How can you change the footer information? So footer information also same. You need to click here, subscribe, newsletter, email address. So here is the footer background, and if you want to change another copyright, you can change here. Okay. And here is the color and other things. Okay. So when I click this, see the footer, the copyright is changed. And most of the customer also ask me about privacy, time and condition, how to change this. Okay. Yeah. So here, go here, and then you can see, just a second. Okay. So if you want to change privacy policy and other things, you need to click menus. Menus is footer menu. Can you see? And footer menu, you can see privacy policy and term and condition. For example, I just want about company. I just rename this. Then it would be very easy for me and you. Now you can see it changes. About us replace about a company. Okay. So now the question is those layout how to change. Not layout exactly. So you need to go widgets, and then here you can find different types of footer. For example, footer 1. When you click footer 1, then you will find here the logo and other text. How can you change? You cannot directly click here. You just click here, list view, and here expand. Then you can see this is. You just take the code, social media, other things. Okay. Same things you should follow also something like this here, custom HTML. Sorry, here 2. This is the 2. Okay, this is the custom HTML. All of things you just copy this text and here and change it. Okay. And now all of things you can change through. So my question is here you can see tracking order, that also need to be changed. How to do this? Tracking order, if you want to change, here is the logo name is tracking order. Sorry, button name is the other thing. You can directly put here and then make a contact is better. Then automatically detect here. So here, so all things I also show you. But we use also different header. For example, I just want to remove header and footer, and this you can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. So if you want, for example, I love this header or I love this header. Okay, you want header 5 and footer 5. or you want this home, you want to this home. What is the name of home? We need to figure out here. Go there, like 1 2 3 4 5, maybe Mary time. Let's see. Yeah, I want this. So if you want this home, then you need to go here, ready, and you need to select home 5. Okay, then when you click there, then you can see the home is sense. Okay, home is sense. Yeah, so now you can see we use header 5 footer 5. So header 5 footer 5, that's interesting. Okay. So if you want to sense here like logo and other things, you need to click header 5. Yeah, then you can see here the header. Okay, one question to you. When you open, you will be new there. So normally you can get something like this. You just click here structure, then you will get here the header, and left side you will get all of informations like email, phone number, this and everything, and also logo. Okay, here is the logistic menu, which menu you want to use. Lot of things here you can get. Okay, also you will get all of solutions here. The footer also same things. When you click the footer 5, then look here. This is the footer 5. So you can sense also all of information here. So another question that is very common question. There is no need to add lot of home. I just want to customize little bit. It would be good for features. Just go to the menus and then select the main menu. So you can see here is lot of home. There is no need lot of home. So how should we do this? So normally home page, multi-page, all need to be removed. There is no need. So this is font page. We just keep it. And others we will remove it. And also one page you can remove also one page. Okay. So I just remove. Okay. You can see only one home is here. So I just delete all text and then make a home. Then chapters. Okay. Now when you visit here, then you can see you will get here only one home. Okay. Another question. Go to the about page. About page is sense. Home page is sense. I want all pages same header. How can we do this? I want header 5, footer 5, and all pages. So normally if you want to do this, normally go to here, delete all, and first if you want header and footer for all pages, first you need to go header builder and select here all of, and just keep header 5 and make all of things are trash. Same things, go here, I need only footer 5 and rest of the footer I need to be make a trash. So only one header and footer is available. Now you need to go here, logistic options, and then header you will go and click here header 5, save sentence, and go here footer. So go to footer 5 and save sentence. What do you say normally? Now normally when you go contact page, about page, let's see. This is header 5, footer 5. About page, header 5, footer 5. Interesting. Okay. Now one small problem is created. When you will go home, there is no need. Just make edit. Okay. Go to here and just make it rebuild, and footer also make it rebuild, because all of header handled by logistic options. No need to mention here anything. So now all pages came from the same header, same footer. You understand? Also it will be good. Now last part of things, when you go to responsive, you can see here this is the logo. This logo is not good. How to do this? Like you need to do something better logo. So go to here, header, mobile logo. Here is the mobile logo. So logo background. If you want to rate, for example, black and save sense, now reload the page and you can see Oh, it's a black. Everything is fine, I think. Yeah, everything is fine. So hope so you enjoyed this tutorial, and just subscribe our YouTube channel. We will release every themes tutorial and also some trick and tips for all of things how to do this. Okay, so till then, goodbye. Hope so I will upload another video for you. Bye.